Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Kia, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Kia Niro. So the problem with the car right now, it's the horn not working from the steering wheel clock spring. The customer complaint is it doesn't work when she's trying to honk it, but when I check it, this is a quick check to make sure to see if the horn is working or not. So I'm gonna press the alarm button right here. So the horn is working, right? But when I turn on the car, let me turn on the car. There's no airbag lights at all. So that's the airbag light. Usually, sometime the airbag light comes on and it will be the same thing as the clock spring. So from here, it doesn't horn at all. When I press it from the horn right here, from the steering wheel coming out to the horn, it doesn't work. So there's no airbag lights at all. You can see. Check it like this with the alarm. Press the button here, and the horn is working. So that's a very easy check to see if your horn is working or not. Press the remote alarm and the horn doesn't come on. If it doesn't horn, you gotta check for the fuse, and then you gotta check the horn itself, power it manually to see if it horn or not. But in this case, when I press the alarm, the horn is working, so I know that the fuse is working, the horn is working. It's just from the steering wheel clock spring down to the horn is not working. So I bought the part here. This is the original from Kia. This is the part number for the clock spring, and this is the clock spring. That's how it looks like right there. Start working on any kind of airbag, you gotta take out the negative terminal on the battery. This is on the trunk on the side right here, so I took out the negative terminal on the battery. The airbag on the side here, they have it on 3 sides. Now I'm gonna show you, there's a little nipple in there. You can see the little nipple inside. So you're gonna use a flathead screwdriver, and then you're gonna push the nipple in so the steering wheel airbag can pop off. So I'm gonna put my flathead in there. I'm gonna push the nipple so you guys can see. I can feel it on the correct spot. There you go. I pushed the nipple, and then there's a nipple on this side too. Same thing right there. So I'm gonna try to push it on the correct spot. There you go. And then there's one more at the bottom. Ooh, let me feel for the hole. Where is it? Where's the nipple? You just gotta feel for the nipple. Oh, come on. Can't be this hard just to feel for the nipple. It's easier if you start from the bottom nipple first and then get the 2 sides after. And once you get that out, turn this over. So you see this 2 orange tab right here on both sides. You're gonna pull up. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pull up on both sides like this. Pull both of them up, and then dang, I need stronger grip finger, man. Pull up. Okay, what I did is I pulled the 2 orange tab up. I used the flathead right here, pop it up at the same time, and then here you go. This is your horn wire. I'm gonna disconnect that. There you go. And before you take out the steering wheel nut, I'm gonna use white out. I'm gonna mark it in the center right here, and then mark it with the mark it on the bolt and then the steering wheel, so that way when you put it back you don't want to over tighten it. Now for the clock spring connector, you're just gonna press on this tab right here and pull back. I marked the bolt, and then I marked the steering wheel too, so that way when I put it back I'm not gonna over tighten it. There you go. And then before, there's Loctite on the bolt. So before I take out the steering wheel, I'm gonna mark the steering column with the steering wheel, so when I put it back, I know the steering wheel is straight center, so I won't be off alignment when I put everything back. You know, it doesn't kind of like slightly moving to the left or the right. The steering wheel out sometimes is kind of tight. I have to hit it all around like this. I put the bolt in, kind of yank it like all around so it comes loose. And then once it's loose, you can see I marked it right there, the steering column with the steering wheel. So, there you go. Now next, taking out this cover, there's a screw right down here on the bottom cover right here, and then use a flathead, shove it in here, pop this open, and then take this 2 screw out. There you go. One more on this side. There you go. Pop this out. And then for the clock spring down here, you're gonna pull this yellow tab back, pull that out. This white connector right here, press on this. Oh, I need a stronger grip finger, man. There you go. And then for the clock spring, there's a hook right here. There's a hook on the side. There's a hook on the top. This one I have to use a flathead. There you go. And the whole thing comes out just like that. Voila. There you go. Exact same thing. Since you're here, check out the connector for the clock spring too. Right here. Make sure the wires in the back is not broken or ripped. Make sure the pin in here is not damaged, corroded. Same thing to this connector. Check the back. Everything is good. Check the pin. So if everything is good, just put the new one in the exact same way and press. There you go. All 3 of the hooked in. Don't remove this yet. Now I'm gonna put the connector back and the bottom cover. I got the 2 cover back on already, so I'm gonna. Now I got the 2 cover back on. Don't forget the bottom screw right here. Now I'm just gonna feed my clock spring wire back to my steering wheel, and then I'm gonna align my mark that I made with the steering column. You can see it's straight ahead right there, straight down. That's good. And then for this clip right here, this locking clip, you're gonna press the bottom, pull. There you go. The reason why I have you guys take this out last, because if you take it out before you put in the steering wheel, sometimes you can rotate these clock spring and it'll be out of turn. So I'm gonna reconnect the clock spring wire. There you go. I'm gonna put back my steering wheel bolt. Tighten down the steering wheel bolt already. You can see I tightened it down straight with the mark I made. Make sure you guys check the clock spring, the outside here. Check out the clock spring connector. Make sure the wire's not broken, damaged. The pin is not corroded or bent. Check out the horn wire too. Make sure it's not broken. The pin in here looks good. So I'm just gonna reconnect it back to the airbag. I reconnected my horn wire right here. Make sure it's all the way down. For the airbag, make sure you push it all the way down, purple to purple. This one pink to pink right here. And only going one way. I'm gonna snap it down. There you go. Make sure it click. And then I'm just gonna put this back. Make sure you not get caught with the wire right here. So I'm gonna put this wire on top. So I'm gonna put everything back. I'm gonna press it in. There you go, buddy. Feels good, feels solid. Now I'm just gonna reconnect my negative terminal on the battery. Now I'm gonna check the horn after I reconnect the battery. There you go. I'm gonna turn on the car, make sure the steering is good, everything turns properly and signal properly. Yep, it's good. I'm gonna signal left, signal right, headlight, yes, everything's working, yes. So I'm gonna turn, so this is straight center. I'm gonna turn the wheel all the way to the left. Yep, all the way to the left, back to the center, all the way to the right. There you go, back to the center. So everything is good. Just want to make sure the wiper works. Yep, everything still works. The rear worked too. So if you want to check for the fuse, you're gonna go to the fuse box out here. So this is your fuse box right here. So you're gonna check for this horn fuse right here. It says horn right here. So 20 amps. So this is the horn fuse right here. You're gonna check for this fuse right here. If it's blown, replace it. But that is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.